It's never too late to start again. In this powerful motivational video, 12 proven ways shared to reset, restart, and refocus your life. Whether you have faced failure, disappointment, or feel stuck, these transformational insights will help you create the second chance you deserve in your life. Here is how. First, let go of your past. Every difficult moment in our life is accompanied by an opportunity for personal growth and creativity. But in order to attain this growth and creativity, you must first learn to let go of the past. You must recognize that difficulties pass like everything else in life. And once they pass, all we are left with are unique experiences and the lessons required to make a better attempt next time. Second, identify the lesson. Everything is a life lesson. Everyone you meet, everything you encounter. Never forget to acknowledge the lesson, especially when things don't go your way. If you don't get a job you wanted or a relationship doesn't work, something better is out there waiting. And the lessons you just learned is the first step towards it. Third, lose the negative attitude. Negative thinking creates negative results. Positive thinking creates positive results. Everything is irrelevant if your mind is stuck in the gutter. Positive thinking is at the heart of every great success story. The mind must believe it can do something before it is capable of doing. Actually, accept accountability for your current situation. You are the one who can directly control the outcome of your life. And no, it won't always be easy. I know that. Everyone faces a maze of obstacles. You must accept accountability for your situation and overcome the obstacles, choosing not to give up on the life you were meant to create. Focus on the things you can change. Some forces are out of our control. Do the best you can do with the resource you have. Wasting your time planning emotional energy on things that are beyond your control is a recipe for frustration, misery, and stagnation. Invest your energy in the life that you can change. Figure out what you really want. You will be running an hamster wheel forever if you never decide where you want to go. Some of us were born to be musicians or poets or entrepreneurs. Don't quit just because you didn't get it right on your first shot. And don't waste your life fulfilling someone else's dream and desire. Follow your intuition, make a decision to never give up on what you are capable of becoming. Eliminate the non-essentials. First, identify the essential, the thing in your life that matter most to you. Then eliminate the fluff, trash. This drastically simplifies things and leaves you with a clean state, a fresh, solid foundation to build up without needless interference. This process works with any aspect of your life, work, project, relationship, general to-do list, and more. Be specific. When you set new goals for yourself, try to be as specific as possible. I want to lose 20 pounds, let's say, is a goal you can aim to achieve. I want to lose weight is not. And be specific with your actions too. I will exercise. It's too vague to be actionable. I'll take 30-minute jog every weekday at 6 p.m. It's something you can actually do, something you can build a routine around, and something you can reach. Concentrate on doing instead of not doing. Instead of concentrating on eliminating bad habits, concentrate on creating good ones. Soon you will start doing the right thing without even thinking about it. Create a daily routine. It's a simple but create a daily routine for yourself can change your life. The most productive routines we have found come at the start and end of the day. That means develop a routine for when you wake up, for you when you start working, and for when you finish your work, and for the hour or two before you go to sleep. Doing so will help you focus on the important stuff instead of distractions that keep popping up. Maintain self control and work on it for real. You have to maintain your self control. Start with just one activity and make a plan for how you will deal with troubles when they arise. For instance, if you're trying to lose a weight, come up with a list of healthy food snacks you can eat when you get the craving for snacks. It will be hard in the beginning, but it will be get easier. And that's the whole point. As your strength grows, you can take on bigger challenges as well. Forget about impressing people. So many, so many. people buy things they don't need with money. They don't have to impress people they don't know. Don't be one of these people. Just keep doing what you know is right. And if you don't reach your goal, adjust your approach and try again. You will get there eventually. So, alright, here is a challenge. For the next 7 days, I want you to pick one of these 12 ways that I just told you and practice it every single day. Here is what I want you to do. Day 1, comment below which way you choose, and day 7, come back and tell us what changed. I guarantee you, if you commit to just one of these for 7 days, your life will begin to shift. And here's the best part, when you share your progress in the comment, you will inspire someone else to take their second chance too. This isn't just a video, this is a movement of people who refuse to give up. People who believe in second chance, people like you. So hit that like button if you accept this challenge, subscribe to track your journey with us, share this with someone who needs their second chance, and drop a comment if you're ready to transform. Let's do this together. Thank you.